How to post GIFs on your Facebook page. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily post GIFs on your Facebook page. Now you want to simply open up your Facebook. Now unfortunately in my case I don't have any Facebook page, but the process is similar. You want to simply open up your Facebook page. You want to head into your page option, and then what you want to do is you want to head into your posting section. Now once on posting section, what you want to do is you want to drop down menu. You can see the drop down menu here at the bottom of the screen. I'll just discard this and I'll just tap on what's in your mind, and below you can see photo or video, tag people, filling activity, check-in, live video, and if you scroll down you'll find the option GIF. Simply tap on GIF and you'll be able to include a GIF here on post directly. However, if you have a GIF saved on your phones or device, what you want to do is you want to tap on photo or video option. Then you want to select a particular GIF that you want to post, and then simply tap on post option at the top right corner of your screen and it'll be posted. So this way you can easily post GIFs on Facebook as well as your Facebook page. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.